Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Ethereum around, like from crypto.com to Robinhood. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step. It's simpler than you think, and I'll make sure you do it safely to avoid any headaches. Whether you're building your portfolio or just experimenting, this guide will have you transferring ETH in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both crypto.com and Robinhood. Double check that your Ethereum is in your crypto.com wallet and that you've verified your identity on both platforms. Security is key in 2025's crypto landscape. Step 1. Open the crypto.com app or website and log in to your account. Head over to your wallet section, it's usually front and center. Look for your Ethereum balance and select it to initiate a transfer. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Transfer option. You'll need to choose the network. Stick with the Ethereum network to keep things compatible. Now, grab your Robinhood wallet address. Hop over to your Robinhood app, go to your ETH wallet, and copy that address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to mess it up. Step 3. Paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field on crypto.com. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, fees can vary, so aim for a time when the network is less congested to save some cash. Step 4. Hit confirm and double-check everything. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure it's the right amount and address. Once you approve, the transaction will process. This might take a few minutes, depending on network traffic. Finally, once it's done, log back into Robinhood and refresh your wallet to see your Ethereum arrive. Congrats! You've just made a successful transfer. Remember, always keep an eye on security best practices, like using two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, both apps have great support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.